Hello guys, what's up? This is Yomi Akatuba from Sonic 315 Studios. If this is your first time here, kindly hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back to check on this video. Hit the like button if you love this video, if you found value in this video. Then hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified anytime I upload a new video. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Melodyne. Very easy, very simple software. So the first stage is having Melodyne installed on your system. If you have Melodyne installed on your system, so I guess you don't know how to use it. So that's why I'm doing this video. So secondly, you're going to select the vocal you want to pitch correct. All right, the vocal you want to tune. Let me just play this song from here uh, so that you get to know what we are working with.
mo tún rí mo tún rí oṣù yìí láyọ̀ o Jésù mo tún rí oṣù yìí láyọ̀ Olúwa ò ṣé mo tún rí oṣù yìí láyọ̀ o Jésù mo tún rí oṣù yìí láyọ̀ oṣù tó kọjá ò jẹ́ kó gbé mi mì bàbá mo tún rí oṣù yìí láyọ̀.
So that's the song we are working with. By the way, the percussion you are hearing in this song was sampled by me. So just check the description. There's a link there. Just click on the link and get the percussion for yourself. Okay, so this percussion is very good. It's called the Samba kit. All right, Samba. For most of us that knows what Samba is, it's in the picture I'm going to be showing you right now. So um, battery 4 comes with that package. All right, so you install battery 4 to have access to this um, percussion. All right, you can also use it on your sampler. You can play it via your keyboard, your MIDI keyboard. You can play it via your sampler. All right, so just get the percussion for yourself and enjoy your music production with it. To the purpose of this video, Melodyne. So this is what we are working with.
mo tún rí oṣù yìí láyọ̀ o Jésù mo tún rí oṣù yìí láyọ̀.
So very nice percussion. So let's start with selecting the clip. So if you want to start using Melodyne, I assume you have it on your system already. So for those using Cubase 12, Cubase, I think 11, 12, 13, all you just have to do is just select the note, the vocal recording, the clip you want to tune, then come down to extension. Then it's showing no extension because we've not loaded any extension on it. So if you can't find the extension tab here, just right click on the an empty space here, then you find the extension here. All right, so you can even drag it to wherever you want it to be here on this pane here. So just tick the extension, you can see. So just tick the extension, then you have your extension tab here. So under the extension, I'm going to select no extension, then Melodyne. All right, so you can see it's loaded up. So secondly, after loading Melodyne on the vocal clip you want to tune, you want to pitch correct, the next step is to ascertain the key. Tell Melodyne, okay, this is the key the song is on. Most times Melodyne automatically detects the key, then place it here. So but on this note, the key of this song is A major, so Melodyne got this wrong. So I'm going to double click on this and type it in manually. So just come up here and type your A major on here, and it's so you've informed the algorithm here that hey, this song is on A major. And the next step is to highlight everything by clicking Control A. The next step is to highlight everything by clicking Control A, and come here. You see correct pitch macro. So I'm going to select that, and pitch center. You can see pitch center. You drag that into 100%. All right. So pitch drift 100%. Then snap to chord scale. This means that it's going to move every note that is outside the scale of A major. It's going to move it within the scale of A major. It's going to shift it into the scale of A major. Is that clear? So then I click OK. So let's play this back again. So it is Motori Ti Dodo. So here we have T T. So I'm going to move this up to Do. You can see. So you still have work to do. So here you can see this Do drifted into the semitone, the semi note. You can see this notes drifted into the key in front of it. So into the notes, the next notes. So what you're going to do is select that and come to pitch modulation and bring it down till it's inside the note. So you can see, so you just move things to where they are supposed to be. So this has a little bit of drifting. So you don't want this to be too straight, these lines to be too straight. If it's too straight, then you have a robotic sound and it does not sound natural again. So I'm sure the purpose you want to use Melodyne is to make your vocals sound as natural as possible. You just want to make some pitch corrections. If you want a robotic sound, then you can go for the auto-tune and all that. You can also get robotic sound here, but the purpose of you stressing like this is in order to get a natural vocal. All right, so you don't want it to be too robotic. So mommy, so I've shifted the note there. There's a drift here. You can see the line drifted into this key, into this next note. So just shift it. Then here too, there's a little bit of drift. Just move it into the Oshu. So there's a drift instead of do, it's moving into the next note. So we select that and pitch correct. So in this case, you can see we have fa mi in just one note, in just one blob. All right. So what you're going to do is select that blob at the point where there should be a split from fa mi. Just place your mouse over the blob, over it, not in the middle. Just move up a little bit over, then double click. So once you double click, you notice the split occurred into the correct pitch, the correct note. So what you're going to do next after splitting is double click on both notes. Double click, you can see, so it's now snapped to the correct. So here too, there's a little bit of drift. Then here too, so you don't want to get rid of the vibrato. This line indicates the vibrato also, so you don't want to get rid of it too much. So at this point, we have two notes on one blob. So just come to the point where it should be splitted into do ti, then double click on the notes after splitting. Don't forget, double click on each note after splitting them. So then come here, there's a drift here, just a little bit, bring it into the notes. Then here, bring it into the Yeah, and here too.
oṣù yìí láyọ̀ mo tún rí oṣù yìí láyọ̀ o Jésù.
So yeah. So this note, this blob here is having two notes in one blob. So same thing, you have to split it. Do ti la, do ti la so, do ti la so. So we have la so, oh no, ti la. So what I'm going to do is split this. Just place your mouse over the blob and it's going to show you one kind of blade icon, and you're going to split it. So let me double click this. After double clicking, you can see it's placed it on the correct note.
Oṣù yìí láyọ̀ o Jésù. Oṣù yìí láyọ̀ o Jésù.
There's a drift here. Most times you just have to leave it if it sounds well. All right, if it sounds cool to you.
Oṣù yìí láyọ̀ o Jésù. Ní oṣù yìí.
So here too, there's a drift. So you do it like that, like that, like that. I hope this helps. So if you found value in this video, kindly share this video, like, and also comment, ask your question. I will respond to your question either by responding in the comment section or respond with a video. All right, so thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly check back for other video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post another video, another helpful video like this. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.